Today on the Random Junk Channel, we're going to eat an MRE from the 1990s, Menu 4. Don't know what's in it because there's no guarantee of what it is, because the database don't go back that far.
Let's try it out.
Don't stab yourself.
Woo! Well, it has ham.
We got a really long spoon.
I believe that's condiments and seasonings.
A baggie of stuff.
What does the white one say?
Consisting of a moist towelette, matches, chiclets, and salt.
We got chiclets.
Shortbread, because it's not tall. Strawberry jam. Iced tea drink mix. Crackers. Cooked ham slices with natural juices, smoke flavoring added, packed in water. Oh yeah, that sounds tasty.
Tasty and delicious. I'll open the crackers. There was a hissing sound when I opened the crackers.
Good, that means the vacuum seal's still good. That probably won't kill you. Alrighty. Would you like some jam with that, sir?
No, that's for the shortbread.
I don't know.
I think we're supposed to put ham on the crackers. And I'm not putting jam on my ham.
Yay! Looks like a cracker. Does it smell like crackers?
Oh! Oh!
Oh yeah. Smells good to me.
That doesn't smell like cracker!
This might make a mess.
We might make a mess.
Ooh, I got it open.
Just put it on the cardboard, it'll soak up the juice.
It looks like Spam.
Spam is a name brand, sir. We can't use name brands. Don't ooze it out of the packaging.
Dude, it smells okay.
Yeah, it smells like
Ham.
cheap, fake smoked ham.
What the fuck's the spoon for?
To mix your iced tree drink? I'm guessing you're supposed to mix it in nondescript water. Okay, but you get it out of the package, not put it back in.
Well, there's liquid in here.
So pull it out and put it on the cardboard to ooze out.
We should have got a plate.
Guess now we'll open our dessert.
Yeah, sure, why not? Just see what all the nifty things are in here.
Should have gotten a plate. Well, here's our shortbread.
I told you not to crunch it.
I didn't crunch it.
Matches look nice.
We should light one, see if they work. For science.
Science purposes.
Hey, it still works. Ooh.
Smells like a match.
Yes, it does. So we throw it on the flammable carpet. Alright.
Oh, matches work. Chiclets to wash down the nastiness.
Yep.
Moist towelettes to wash off the nastiness. Salt to make the nastiness taste better.
And jam to throw on our shortbread when we get to that.
We should have some nice drink. It says it's supposed to be added to 8 fluid ounces. No sugar added.
Do you want cold nondescript water? Or room temperature nondescript water?
I don't give a shit.
Alright, room temperature it is. How many ounces is this?
16.
Alright, I'll drink half of it. Close enough.
You should see his other tricks.
So we're professionals.
I think you just turned on half the population.
And look at his views.
You think he's good at guzzling water? Wait for his next act. The spoon's going to be useless, though. It won't fit in the hole.
Spoon.
You could just put the cap on and shake
Ye
it.
of little faith about the spoon not fitting in the hole.
Could you just put the cap on and shake it like a normal person would?
No. We have to use all items that are provided in our MRE.
Well, the water wasn't.
It's
You
instant
gonna
water, just
shake
add
it?
water. I did. That's why it's frothy.
Yeah, but there's still chunks on the bottom.
I'll shake this while he preps the jam. There, are you happy? Now it's really freaking frothy. Does it smell like jam?
No.
What does it smell like?
It tastes like jam, though.
What does it smell like? Ew, what the fuck does that smell? Ew.
It tastes okay.
You want to start with dessert or you want to start with...
Yeah, dessert's good because it looks like it might be. Now, this smells like ass.
No, it smells like Fig Newton without the fig. Oh, dude, it's watery. Let me get a couple drips of strawberry jam.
Everything a growing soldier needs.
It's dripping. Oh.
I've had worse. Want to make sure I got the full. Ooh, I got a chunk. Ooh, I got a chunk this time. Might be better.
Usually, jam, you should not be happy to get a chunk. It should not be wet and watery.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Look at that.
For being 20 some odd years old, it actually still tastes like, Smuckers.
We're sorry, Smuckers.
Smuckers knockoff? Mm. I'm gonna go grab a plate. I shall return. And some soda.
Well, while he's getting a plate, I'll entertain you by trying the tea. Alright. It's tea-ish. A little sour. Oh, there's that fake lemon flavor, too. And he's back with a plate.
And forks.
And a knife.
Pick a color.
Black. Yeah, make sure you get all the wet juice out. Hey, look, it's pre-perforated.
Smells like. What are you doing? There we go. Trying the 20 some odd year old stuff.
I guess I'll make a cracker sandwich.
Oh, this looks disgusting. Smells like ham though. Mmm. I don't know what's worse, the cracker or the ham. Oh yeah.
It tastes like a future stomach pumping.
I think I'm gonna have a long process later in the bathroom.
Maybe some strawberry jam will make it better.
Holy crap. I think it's the cracker.
We're gonna add some strawberry jam to mine. Because I'm an idiot.
Yeah, it's the cracker.
Mm.
The ham don't taste horrible.
Oh, God. Jam made it slightly better. Wash it down with some tea.
I'm good. I got water. All right, well, 20-some-odd-year-old MRE. Ham's decent. Jam is good. Shortbread's okay.
I know what we're missing. Salt.
Oh, that makes everything taste better. I think I need to... Did you even get any on the meat?
There's actually surprised the salt wasn't just one clump.
I don't think my dog would eat this shit. But if you're starving in the middle of nowhere and that's all you got, better than nothing.
Salt helps a bit.
Oh, crackers are nasty.
We still got one more.
Oh. Holy crap, dude. Some nasty ass crackers. If you guys could only smell this. After dinner mints. Chiclets.
We'll wash our hands first, and then we'll try some chiclets. If I can get the stupid moist towelette out.
Is it still moist?
It actually is still moist. It's falling apart, but it is still a moist towelette. Yeah, kind of falling apart. Like to wash your hands before dessert?
It's disintegrating. Apparently it was fine till it touched air. One chiclet for you.
Cheers.
Green like the vomit.
Chiclet's still good.
I don't think this stuff expires. So, a 1990 something MRE. Ham's okay. Crackers horrible. Shortbread's okay. Jam looks disgusting but tastes like jam.
Yep.
Chiclet's good. Towelettes, well,
Still
dissolved.
moist.
And the best part, matches work. And they're for damp locations. Great for your camping trips. Overall, I give it 1 puke. Because it's coming
I'm
up.
hoping I don't need a stomach pumping later. Until next time, if we survive.
There you go. Enjoy.
I'm good.
I don't think my dog would eat this shit.
We'll see you next time, guys, if we survive this.
Do you approve, Aspen? Apparently she says the cracker sucks too because she ain't going near it. Say hi to the camera. Good girl. forgot what we're doing.
Introducing to camera.
Hello, camera. Today we're going to do menu 4.
Yeah, you want to do it right?
I'm sorry.
Give me a second while I'm not rubbing my eye. Alright, let's try it
What the
again.
fuck is right? We're the random junk channel. There is no fucking right.
Oh, let me take off my branded sunglasses.
There's a lot of laps. Oh.
I'll just go topless.
What you gotta do? There could be a blooper reel at the end now. I hate you. You can do the intro.
And today on the Random Junk Channel, we're gonna puke. We don't have a puke bucket.
Gotta swallow it. Today we're going to eat an MRE from the 90s. Still sealed.
Well,
Probably
I want to do
bad.
that again without... So we actually look somewhat professional.
I ain't professional.
Well, you're starting the intro. I'm sitting here scratching my balls and...
Totally fine. I think we should leave it just like that.
Alright, let's try this again. I'm looking at the camera. Do your intro.
I thought you were gonna.
You're doing it.
I hate you. I don't know how these things.
You're the star of the Random Junk
I'm
Channel.
not the star. I'm just a dick who stands in front of the camera more than I should.
You're the star.
I have a star.
Of what, David?
No.
You have a star. That's an Oscar. Pointing. Best actor.
You said I'm the star.
I don't know if it's in frame.
So today on the Random Junk Channel.
Okay.
I'm gonna like restart this, or are you gonna have fun editing out the 9 minutes of bullshit?
Just scroll, edit.
Blooper reel. What are we doing?
I'll hold it up because I can hold it up upright. Introduce it. I'll hold it.
Today we're gonna eat an MRE from the 1990s. Meal 4. What?
Do it again.
Why?
Because when you started, I had it here.
That's the best place. That way the camera lens doesn't break.
All right, try that
Today
again.
on the Random Junk Channel.
Okay, let's start at the same time. Let's start when we're ready. Okay, now.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Today on the Random.
What are you doing? Do it right. I only have 8 gigs.
Well, we might have to erase something. Today... Fuck you. Today. Well, how long is 8 gigs?
I don't know. It's crunchy in there.
Don't break my crackers. There's
They're not
crackers.
Jew crackers, so you don't like them.
They're fine. I had those this morning too.
You actually went and bought some?
Oh god, they're good. I got
They're
another
not
box.
good.
I got another box in there. They're egg and onion flavored. Would you like one?
We'll do that later. We'll use it to wash the taste of this out of our mouth.